So here's something I've been running across, and I thought I'd share this little tip on how I figure it out. So I'm setting up right now. I'm setting up this this big genie here, and I have a big pile. I mean, obviously, with all these pinball machines, I have a big pile of pinball legs, all different sizes and all mismatched. A bunch of them are all mismatched. It's kind of a big mess. So how do you figure out what size leg to put on a pinball machine? So if you look at most pinball machines, can we look down this row? They're all about the same height, right? And that comes out to be from the floor to the lockdown bar. Can I get you in frame here? Not really, this is really difficult. From the floor to the lockdown bar. Here, I'll do this. Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right, there we go. From the lockdown bar to the floor, that's about 36 inches. So if you look at this one, look at Speakeasy, it's sitting a little bit lower. It's got the wrong legs. Those are 27-inch legs, and you can kind of tell that they're a little bit shorter. Ones next to it are 28s. Of course, the caster at the bottom is set a little bit different, but so I need to change the legs on Speakeasy. But see, most of these machines, they set about the same height, right? It's getting dark down there. Anyway, so how do you figure out, hold please, how do you figure out the right size leg? So you can go online, you could look it up, you could spend all that time. But if you got a pile of legs or a handful sitting around and you're trying to figure out which machine they go on, this is how I do it. So I measure from the lockdown bar to the top leg bolt hole. Leg bolt hole, that's hard to say. And I get a measurement from there. So on Genie, it's 12.5 inches. A lot of machines you'll find, like a lot of the Williams and Bally machines, you'll find that it's going to be about 11 inches. For the older EMs, it's kind of hit and miss on what you're going to have. Anyway, so I measure from that. Then I look at a leg and I measure the top bolt hole on the leg. I set that at, in this case, 12.5 inches. And then I measure down to the bottom until you find the leg that is going to get you right around 36 inches. So the first one is, this one's going to be way too big. It's going to be kind of goofy looking. The second one is, that's a 28-inch leg. That's still going to get me, that's going to be a little high. The last leg here, that's a 27. That's the leg that's supposed to go on this machine. Anyway, so that's how I do it. A super quick video. If you've got a pile of legs and you're trying to figure out what machine to put them on, that's a way to do it. That's quick and easy, and you don't have to dig around online and try to wade through a bunch of different threads on people arguing about what size pinball legs. Just figure it's going to be 36 inches and measure and go from there. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.